How to turn any website into an app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. In the search bar, type in the website you wish to add to your home screen and go to it. Once the website has loaded, locate and tap the menu button at the bottom of the screen. After the menu has appeared, tap on Share button. This will open the Share sheet, which provides various options for sharing and actions. From the list of options, scroll down and tap on Add to Home screen. Once you are satisfied with the name, tap the Add button in the top right corner. The website shortcut will now appear as an icon on your home screen, just like an app. Tapping this icon will directly open the website for quick access. Following these steps, you can easily turn any website into an app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.